Tighter home designs do not provide fresh air flow through windows alone. Current fresh air solutions using front doors often don't work or provide proper aesthetic appeal. ODL challenged the team to create a looks-like, works-like prototype that allows fresh air to flow through the door without compromising the overall look of the home.
Key specifications include using a 1-inch thick insulated glass unit and a 23 by 65 inch door cutout, an airflow equivalent to a 3 foot by 5 foot window with a 3 foot by 2.25 inch opening, closed with less than or equal to 10 pounds of force, and shall not close when subjected to forces less than 1.5 pounds, and a person of average height cannot reach within the prototype and access the doorknob.
As a result of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, there were several modifications that needed to be made to the project. One of these modifications was to the amount of testing that was able to be conducted on the prototype. While some of the testing, such as determining the force to open the prototype and ensuring inaccessibility of the door handle through the prototype opening, were able to be done, testing that required external testing facilities became optional due to the inaccessibility and time restrictions for these facilities. Most notably, this meant that air infiltration testing became an optional requirement for the prototype. Another change to the project as a result of the pandemic was due to the inability of the team to create some of the components for the prototype due to the inaccessibility of Grand Valley's machine shops. This resulted in using a third-party, Skylark Machine and Automation, to create the custom components.
The prototype meets specifications outlined in our approved documents. The metal and plastic components were painted to create an aesthetic that is appealing to customers. The knobs on each side of the door are located at the proper height and allow the user to easily open and close the prototype with a force compliant with requirements. Overall, the prototype operates easily, has a clean look, and will provide fresh airflow into the home.
Due to the COVID-19 shutdown and restrictions, the project's finalized design and documentation were completed through online meetings and collaborative softwares. These included Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, and GrabCAD. Virtual meetings helped our team to communicate on a regular basis while sharing solutions on how to navigate the project during COVID obstacles. From Grand Valley's shutdown, the team was unable to use most university shops, spaces, and equipment. Therefore, we were required to search and communicate with vendors to ensure that manufactured project components met the team's specifications.
We would like to thank Skylark Machine and Automation for their donation of labor as well as their ability to work with us on short notice.
We also want to thank the Schmidt family for allowing us to use their home, tools, and assistance to build our prototype.